Hello, I am Dr. Durst. I am the owner and founder of RevitalyzeMD in Knoxville, Tennessee. I was doing emergency medicine for a couple decades. When I started learning about some anti-aging solutions, I was shocked and I was excited to learn more. And one of my passions is learning. And so as I learned more, I became more passionate. And I knew that I eventually wanted to build a special place so that patients could come and comprehensively address some issues that they might be experiencing as they age. Here at Revitalize, just so you know a little bit about what we offer, we are very comprehensive, and the treatments and services that we offer and how that happened is, again, as I learned anti-aging, it pretty much started with hormones and how much better someone can feel and how we didn't offer or educate patients in traditional medicine. But then it branches from there. As people are feeling better, they want to look better. There's a lot of regenerative aesthetic procedures we do. Comprehensively also treat from the inside, so we can do IV therapy. Not only are we optimizing hormones, but we're optimizing performance and how they feel with IV therapy and with peptides. We have a lot of regenerative aesthetic procedures, but one of my favorites and what I'm most passionate about is sexual wellness and being able to bring solutions to patients that we don't offer in traditional medicine. We offer probably the most comprehensive array of services for women's health and men's health as far as sexual wellness. What I want to do for patients is to help them look better, feel better, and perform better at any age, but comprehensively find that in one place here at RevitalyzeMD.